Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to download and install applications on this watch. Before we start, you will need to do a couple of things, or few things rather. The first thing you will need to do is to connect your watch to the internet. It might be Wi-Fi network or it could be a mobile network. Another thing you will need to do is to copy a Google account to our watch so you can use the Google services on it. And of course, if you want to use those features and connect your, or rather copy your Google account to your watch needs to be paired with a phone. So that's the last thing it needs to be, or rather it's the first thing you will need to do, but it is also one of the requirements. So your watch needs to be paired with a phone, you need to connect it to the internet, and you need to copy a Google account from your phone to your watch so you can use the Google Play services. Okay, and once you have all of the above, we can continue. And now we can wake up the screen by tapping on it and open the menu by swiping up, scroll down, look for the Play Store icon, tap on it, and in the Play Store you can look for the applications. And you can do it by browsing the categories right here, or you can also search for them by tapping on search button and type in something you are looking for. I'm just gonna browse some category. I believe it's going to be a bit quicker. So let's say I want to install this Today Weather app. You can tap on the app you like. Here we have a description, screenshots, reviews and stuff like that. So you can read that, look at that. And once you decide to install application, you have this big install button, tap on it. And once the application is done installing, the install button will change to open button, and you can tap on it to open the app, or you can open it through the menu. So if you go back to watch face, open the menu, the icon of the application will appear and you can tap on it to open the application. And here we have it, it is working. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.